I don't really have any videos ready today. Got home and I had some other things to do today, so I'm just gonna do an update video about some stuff. Dad got this truck working again. Got it tagged and licensed, that's great. It's a stick shift. He bought it off of one of the car dealerships, like used car dealerships around here. And then, like, it started having problems. The dealership fixed it, and then one day it just stopped working. We hadn't had it for, like, more than a week. Anyways, we finally got it fixed, so that's a big help. And I'm eating right now, just so you know. We had a couple of nice days, but we also had some days where it was icy out. Got my wisdom tooth taken out beginning of last week. That went pretty well, all things considering. Still got a big gaping hole in the back of my mouth where that tooth used to be, so that's kind of weird. But I haven't been in any pain, haven't taken anything for it, just been eating very carefully. All the rabbits but the ones in the tractor, BJ specifically, have been moved over to the new area. We've put on the front cover so that it's winter-proofed. And it's actually a whole lot warmer in there. Got the chickens in there. I've had to make some adjustments. And we might have to keep moving them during the night back over to the roosts that we made because they would rather roost on the metal bars in my rabbit cages, and I don't want that. Thanksgiving is next week. I don't know, there's not an awful lot to update on. It's pretty peaceful out. Work has been work. The rabbits are doing well. We'll be butchering 2 more Flemish Giants this week on Thursday. And then I'll just have 2 more left. I've done some more recalculations on breeding my rabbits, and so some of that's probably going to end up changing up just a little bit. The zoo has asked me for, like, the cold months during winter, if I can slow down on giving them rabbits, or not give them any rabbits till, like, February of next year, because their steaks start to slow down at about this time and aren't eating as much. So that's something. It's just me, puppy. We need to start tearing down the barn. No, you can't have my food. Oh, Gunner. I love you too, but no.
Come in. Is that better?
Yeah. We need to start tearing down the barn now that we got all the animals out of it. Silly dog. Oh yeah. Moved all the chickens over. I already said that. Made a roost for them. No, you can't have my food. Look at this. Hey, you can't have my food. You're chunky as it is. You don't need my food. You've already been fed. Having Hawaiian haystack without the Chinese noodles. Can't think of anything else. It's gonna take us a while to pull down that barn. Oh, we think that some of our neighbors' cows are in our field. Normally we just see them in the back pasture, but we've actually been seeing them up here on the front side pasture over there, in that direction. And there's some hay that we left out there. They've definitely been over there, but they don't have any tags on their ears, and they won't let us get close enough to really look at them. But if they have branding, because I know that some people still do that, a tag in the ear you could take off and replace with another one. A branding's a little bit harder to do anything with if you're going to steal cows. Last time we checked, our neighbors don't think they're missing any cows, but I don't know where else they would come from, because there's a road on that side, and the field that borders us on this side and back there are by the same person. So, and I'm pretty sure those cows weren't here last year or the year before. So, I have some video of them somewhere, maybe on my phone. I can show you some of that. Otherwise, there isn't an awful lot to update on. Really isn't anything exciting going on. So, yeah, I don't know. Hey guys! I got some oats. You want some oats? Hey guys! You guys belong in the next pasture, huh? Yeah, no, they're skittish. I think that black and white one might be the oldest one. There's definitely a young calf, probably 2. Hey guys, I'm not gonna chase you all the way out there. They probably are neighbors' cows. There is a portion of the fence that's way down, so it's not a surprise. Yeah, we don't have any cows of our own yet. I think I do see a tag, maybe on the black one's ear, but I don't know.